Alright, as promised, we got another video for the Subi. You guys saw we did the side skirt extensions. Now we're gonna do the front lip. So, oh my bad. This lip I ordered from eBay. It's like a just normal universal lip or whatever. But yeah, it comes in 3 pieces, which you're gonna go ahead and screw in. Come on, camera. Like that. Screw it in. And it holds it in place. And yeah, comes with self-tapping holes for the mounting. And yeah, we're gonna put some double-sided tape like we did with the side skirts all around so it sticks nice, and then get it installed. Alright guys, we're gonna interrupt today's video from our sponsor, Lamto. Lamto is a company that makes these displays for your car. A lot of older cars like my truck that doesn't come with GPS or etc. You can go ahead and utilize these inside of the vehicle, which is very nice. Now let's go ahead and unbox this and see what's in the box. You got nice packing. You get this super nice display. Even has a dash cam, which is very nice. And then as well, it comes with the window mount, reverse camera, prying tool, auxiliary cable, I believe this is for reverse camera, and your charging port that also has an extra USB port. Very nice. Instruction manual. So now this installation is pretty straightforward. It's very nice about this kit. All you're gonna really need is this to plug it in, and then your device to mount to the dash. So inside the truck, you're gonna come and grab your cord, plug it into the car charger. All right, so in this case, it also comes with an SD card, which is nice. We're gonna plug it in, and we're gonna go ahead and power on the device. The start button is right up here. And just like that, we have gone in. Now you get Android Auto, all these other features, Apple CarPlay, which is very nice. Let's test out the camera. That's the dash cam. Check that out. Oh, it's very nice piece. You can record, take pictures. Very nice. So in this case, if your car doesn't have one of these, you can go ahead and have one right there on the mount, on the dash, or mount it to the windshield. Very nice unit. Very nice. Plugs into the charger. Very easy to access. Super nice. And just like that, I went in and took the adhesive tape off, mounted it to the dash. Looking very nice. It's very nice. Makes it give the car a much more modern look. So if you guys are interested in this product, you can get yourself one on Amazon. I'll link their store down below in the description. Thank you, Lamto, for sponsoring today's video. And thank you for the awesome piece for the car. Alright, of course, as always, my camera dies mid-process because battery runs out. So I'm sorry, guys, but pretty much I was able to get the lip on the car so you guys can see. Came out pretty good. It's honestly, for like a $60 whatever lip, is super nice. Has the air gap right there, bolts up, and then on this side as well. Came out really good. And then underneath, I don't know if you guys can see, just screws right into the bumper pretty much all around. And the tape I used helped out a bit, but definitely changed the car up. Makes it look so much better now with the stock bumper. But yeah, hopefully if you guys were interested, because I couldn't find any videos or pictures when I was looking for this, and that's usually the things I like, that way I can make videos and stuff for them, and it looks pretty dope. Killer price. So yeah, definitely goes good. Side, the front lip, killer.